Hello everyone, I'm Rachel. Welcome to my tiny basement soap shop. We're gonna make some fuzzy flannel soap today. It's an all natural soap, and I'm gonna call this the cousin to my ugly sweater soap that I've made, if you've seen that video. This one smells kind of like roses, but this is not rose oil. This is a combo of geranium and grapefruit. I read somewhere that if you combine those together, it kind of smells like roses. I did a side-by-side comparison and I'm not fully convinced. It's not quite as good, but it's not bad either. Yeah, it's really not bad. Although geranium is a strong smell. I don't even like it on its own that much. So you want to really do just like a little bit of geranium compared with how much pink grapefruit you're using in this. So I'm going to make this a 2-layer soap. The bottom half is going to have some rosehip powder, which is great for your skin, as well as some Moroccan Red Clay. And I was reading on the back of the bag, and it says it washes like soap and leaves a unique sweet scent on the skin. So we'll find out if that's true. I really love using clays in soaps because it makes it smoother and it's so great for your skin. Each clay is a little bit different, but I just love the way it feels in soaps, and it adds a fun color to it as well. So the bottom half will be that reddish color from this clay and rosehip powder, and then the top half will just be the natural color. And I'm gonna put some dehydrated rose hips on top as well as some cranberry seeds. I think everything is about at the right temperature, so let's go ahead and try this fuzzy flannel soap.
Coming home. Coming home.
on, you guys. I did not know how awesome Moroccan Red Clay was. This is my first time using it, but my brain is going crazy with new ideas already, and I need to make some heart embeds, and I'm totally remaking my buffalo plaid soap. Like, this is happening. This is the biggest soap win I've had in a while, I feel like, and this design turned out spot on. It does mostly smell like geranium still, but it's a very calming soap. Like, I still definitely will be using this. Thank you again for joining me on this soapy adventure today. I hope you can try this out because these are amazing. I am so excited. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video very soon.